What's going on, y'all? Today I got a three-way dimmer that I'm going to be installing for this regular three-way. And I'm going to just cut this open. I'm going to let y'all know how it goes. First I'm going to start with opening this. So I see all the red wires. The red wires are the travelers, the black is the common. Comes with these orange wire knots. And then I'm just going to start by opening up the switch. Here we go. And the wires are short, of course. Take the ground screw off. These top two, the gold screws, you guys can see one gold here, another gold here. These are my travelers. The black screw is my common. So once I take this off, the power goes off. I'm just going to straighten out these hooks now with my pliers. Get that out the way so we don't arc. Straighten them out like so. Straighten out my travelers. And then my last traveler. Now I'm just going to take my common off and doing the same exact thing. I will not be using that dimmer switch anymore. This is my common here. Now when I go in, all I have to do is, I'm going to start with my ground. So I'm going to hook this, wire knot that. And when I wire knot it, I just give it a little tug just to make sure that it's tight. Now I'm going to go with my common. Give it a little tug, we're good. And now my travelers. Start with this one. Oh, we got a little power there. Make sure it's tight. And now, last but not least, my last traveler. That on like so. And then I'm just gonna tuck it into the box. Hopefully it fits. And tuck my common and my ground now. Then just drill it in. Like so. Then I'm just gonna get my plate cover. It's right here. Got my stubby screwdriver. Tighten that. Tighten this. Leave a like in the comments, subscribe, and know what kind of videos you guys want to see next.